Norton Antivirus is a highly reputable and widely used antivirus software that provides comprehensive protection against a variety of online threats, including viruses, malware, spyware, and ransomware. Its robust security features are designed to safeguard your personal information and keep your devices secure. Norton Antivirus uses advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence to detect and neutralize threats in real time, ensuring that your system remains protected against the latest cyber threats. One of the standout features of Norton Antivirus is its multiple layers of protection, which include antivirus, anti-spyware, and anti-phishing tools. These features work together to provide a comprehensive defense against a wide range of threats. Norton Antivirus also includes a smart firewall that monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and blocks suspicious activity, adding an extra layer of security to your network. The software's performance is enhanced by its minimal impact on system resources, ensuring that it runs smoothly in the background without slowing down your computer. Norton Antivirus also offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and customize settings according to your preferences. Additional features such as Password Manager, VPN, and dark web monitoring are available in some packages, providing a more comprehensive security solution. Regular updates and a responsive customer support team ensure that Norton Antivirus remains an effective and reliable tool for protecting your devices. Overall, Norton Antivirus is a robust and trustworthy solution that provides extensive protection, making it a valuable addition to any cybersecurity toolkit.